Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Coinbase Advanced Trade step by step clearly. To register with Coinbase Advanced Trade, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Coinbase website using the URL coinbase.com. If you already have a Coinbase account, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. If you are new to Coinbase, locate the Get Started button on the homepage. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the link provided to verify your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Coinbase website and log in using your credentials. Follow the prompts to provide additional information such as your phone number. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter the code on the website to verify your phone number. Next, complete the identity verification process by uploading a valid form of identification. Choose either a driver's license, passport, or government-issued ID. Follow the instructions to take a clear photo of your ID and upload it. Once your identity has been verified, you can set up two-factor authentication for added security. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, either through an app or SMS. After setting up two-factor authentication, navigate to the Assets section of your account. Deposit funds into your account by selecting the Add Funds option. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer or credit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit process. Once your funds are available, go to the Trade section. Click on the Advanced Trade option to access the trading interface. Review the features and tools available in Advanced Trade. You are now ready to start trading with Coinbase Advanced Trade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.